Money Making Joey, the Forex and crypto trading guru, back here doing another YouTube video for you guys. And I really wanted to take some time out to really make a helpful video for you guys here. We were doing some live trading today. It's a little bit after lunchtime. It's around 2 p.m. So I was speaking to the guys over in the Discord group, and also, I took a little lunch because I was doing some day trades, and then also, had a few other different things going on, and I thought it was an important time for me to go ahead and also upload a YouTube video for you guys. So I decided to make a nice short video for you guys. We're going to leave this as a simple one. In today's video, I am going to be giving you guys just another secret into my trading journey. Now, I don't want you guys out there watching this video to believe that these top 5 trading view indicators that I use inside of my day trading every single day is just it. Like, I'm giving you guys the indicators that I use because all of the videos that I make on my YouTube channel that are inside of my computer, you will see the screen exactly as you see it right now. So I may get a question in the comments of a video where someone is asking me, hey, what's this? What's that? You guys can fully come to this video now and you guys can see what I have on my chart for TradingView. And, if you decide to go down below this video in the description, you can find my website. And then you will also have the ability to get inside of either the trading group or take one of our trading courses. And you will have the ability now to also find out how I use these indicators, why I use these indicators every single day while I'm day trading. And it really doesn't matter because I trade everything. So whether it's crypto, Forex, stocks, every single thing that I am showing you guys, I use it on many different assets as well. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it here. Now, I'm going to automatically pull up my indicators list. So we have 4 different things here right now. What you guys see up on the screen, I definitely would recommend checking out inside of TradingView because, being honest, like when you're a newbie trader and you first enter TradingView for the very first time, it's a lot going on. There's a lot of different tools that you will have to your advantage to use. And I'm going to be 100% honest with you guys. These 4 that you currently see up here right now are the 4 that I mainly use every single day. There's maybe 1 or 2 other ones that I just randomly check to basically get a better idea of the placement within the market. But like I said, the 4 that you guys see are the ones that I use every single day. I'm going to briefly go through them and explain to you guys like the support and resistance levels. You will see if you browse around on YouTube long enough, you will see that there are many different traders out there that will have you draw, trading lines and have videos on YouTube explaining support and resistance lines that way, which when it comes to higher time frame analysis, like if I'm on the weekly or the daily, I will, manually plot out certain points, in the market that I would like to keep my eye on as far as support and resistance goes. But this TradingView indicator that I use is a great one because in the short term on lower time frames like the 5-minute, 15-minute, and even the minute, I like to use this indicator in order to help me plot out some shorter time frame lines just to kind of get a general idea as far as support and resistance goes on where the market can potentially go to, or if we're coming down, what levels it could potentially drop to. Now, the next one that I have, number 2 on the list, is going to be the volume profile indicator, which you see over here on the side of the chart. Long story short, the only thing that this does for me inside of my trading journey is gives me an idea on where was the last price within the market that price traded the most volume at. Like the example that you guys see up here on the 5-minute chart, is we can see this very strong area here on Bitcoin, just a tad bit above 105,200 here. So now, while I'm day trading the markets here, I now have this level here marked out. So as you guys can see, the market is pushing up. Moving forward, this level could be potentially an area where the market pulls back to. And if it does, I would be sitting there looking for some divergences on the RSI, any kind of supporting indicator to make me want to jump in a long trade here and maybe continue to ride the market, back up. And while we're actually speaking about it, let's talk about the Fibonacci tool, because as the video shows, it's my top 5, trading view tools that I use inside of my trading journey. There's only 4, right here. I fully broke down 2, and we're going to come back to that. But what's actually going to be number 5 on my list is this wonderful Fibonacci tool, which I know you guys all use. Going back to the point that I was mentioning previously inside of this video, you can scroll through YouTube, you can find different day traders out there. They can all explain to you about the Fibonacci tool and how they use it. Me personally, inside of my trading journey, I have found that the way I use the Fibonacci tool is way different, because a lot of people know about the main levels, the 0.618, the 3.8, everybody knows about those, right? But what I use here, and it's this box that you guys can see that I have plotted out inside of TradingView, right? And this came from the Fibonacci tool. And what this box represents is what's called the golden pocket. It's the area between the 618 and the 65, basically. And every time I pull the Fibonacci tool inside of TradingView, this key area is what I mark off to keep track of. And I use this as a very important level. Typically inside of my trading journey, I don't mainly use the other levels of the Fibonacci tool. When I extend it from either the high to the low or the low to the high, I might take these levels into consideration while I'm out there trading, but I'm gonna let you guys know, when it comes to the Fibonacci tool, the main important thing that I use inside of my trading journey is that golden pocket. So now, getting back over to the original indicators over here, we do also have the trend line pivots indicator. You guys can see who it's by. Come over here into TradingView and basically search that up. So now, basically inside of my trading journey, I could be this, wonderful trader that learns technical analysis to the T, where I can just basically come on over into TradingView and draw these lines out myself. Now, we're in 2025. That is what I consider to be the old school way of learning, how to trade and everything like that. The truth of the matter is that yes, you can draw out your own lines, but why are you going to take time out of your life to do that, right? When there's a tool inside of TradingView that will automatically put these lines exactly where they need to go inside of TradingView, and now you can be using those inside of your trading journey. So now, if I come back over to the 5-minute chart here, just like you guys saw on the screen inside of the hourly, that indicator inside of TradingView are putting these lines in. Now, you don't see any solid lines here, because every time there's a break of a line, it turns from solid to what you guys currently see here, because it is a broken line. But basically now I have this automatic ability to, have this on my chart, and now it gives me the ability to say, hey, you know what? I could have easily took a long, right here. It would have been a little scalp as we bounced off. Eventually, we did come back and break through it here. Now, the final one, and I want to see, we spoke about support and resistance. We spoke about trend lines. Oh, we actually have to speak about the VWAP, the volume weighted average price. That is the VWAP, which is the next thing that you will see here, this channel between these 2 green lines and this middle blue line, which this is the actual VWAP. Now, you can use this VWAP indicator or you can use, you know, your regular moving averages. The reasons why that you guys don't see any moving averages on my chart is because inside of my trading plan and my journey, right? I typically like moving averages inside of TradingView is kind of one of those things where I'll throw on there just if I want to check, you know, where it is relative to where we're at in price. But usually as I'm trading day to day, I'm doing everything off of the VWAP. So I'm going to give you guys an example. Like if I kick my trading day off and price is moving below the VWAP, and also I'm looking at higher term time frames and I'm seeing bearish activity inside of that trading day, I'm automatically going to have a short bias to the market where I'm only looking to take shorts. If it's reversed, where I see price on lower term time frames trading above the VWAP, and then I go over to like the daily, the 4 hour, and even the hour, and I get a bullish perspective from it, I am now going to have a totally different bias in day trading for the day, where it's like, hey, I am going to now be looking for longs, you know, within the market. If we do come back to this blue line, the VWAP, do we find support on it? Because if we can find support in it, maybe I can get a little long trade scalping, you know, whatever the case may be. So I didn't want to make this video too long. We're kind of, you know, already pushed past the 10-minute mark, but this is going to be a definite helpful video for a lot of you newbie traders out there. Do me a favor. If this is your first time seeing me on YouTube, do definitely go ahead and get subscribed to the channel. Give this video a thumbs up if you guys have found value from it. Money Making Joey, the Forex and crypto trading guru. I am out of here, and I will see you guys in the next one.